have a shoebox full of old family photos? Yellowed pictures tucked away in drawers? Maybe a stack of slides or VHS tapes from birthdays, weddings, and holidays long gone? These moments are priceless. But paper fades. Film deteriorates. And accidents happen, water damage, fire, even just time can erase them forever. That's why at VideoDoc Productions, we help families like yours preserve their most cherished memories by digitizing your old photos, slides, negatives, and home videos. We use professional-grade technology to transform your fragile memories into high-quality digital files, safe, searchable, and ready to share. Imagine showing your grandchildren the day their parents were born, or reliving your parents' wedding, in full color and sound, anytime, anywhere. Your digitized collection can be saved to USB drives, cloud storage, or DVDs, backed up so they'll last for generations. And once your photos are digital, you can create photo books, holiday cards, even a family documentary, all from memories you thought were just gathering dust. Don't let time fade what matters most. VideoDoc Productions, preserving your past for your future.